Hey there, welcome to the Crown Traders Beginners course. I am Joseph, Forex trader, and as at the time of recording this video, I have 9 years plus experience in trading and training Forex traders through solid strategies that helps you trade any market with principles, simplicity, and maximum profit. But today, we're starting off from the very beginning of Forex trading. So then, what is Forex trading and how does it really work? Don't worry, I'll explain it so simply that even a 5-year could nod along and say, oh, now I get it. Forex is an acronym for foreign exchange. That's just a fancy way of saying money swapping. Yeah? Imagine you traveling from Nigeria to the US and you can't spend Naira there, right? So you have to change your money to dollars. You have to change your Naira to dollars. That moment you exchange one currency for another. That's Forex. You see? So, but this time it's online, and millions of people with the big banks do this every single second, buying and selling different currencies just like you did swap your Naira for dollars. But they're doing it to make profits. You see? In Forex, money always comes in pairs. Think of it like two friends holding hands and moving together. So when one goes up, the other goes down. For example, Euro USD means Euro versus the US dollar. If the Euro becomes stronger, price goes up. If the Euro becomes weaker, price goes down. So in this pair, the Euro is the base currency while the USD is the quote currency. So when traders believe one currency will get stronger, they buy. That means if they believe that the Euro will get stronger, they buy. If they believe that the dollar or the US dollar will get weaker, they sell. So when they believe it will get weaker, they sell. And the best part is you can do all this on your phone or laptop using a trading platform or various trading platforms like Derive, MT5, MT4, CTrader, TradingView, and all are in webs and apps versions. So no need to visit any exchange office. Now, why do people trade Forex? What do people trade Forex for? Well, I have 4 basic reasons why people trade Forex. Now, 4 major reasons. To make extra money, number 1. To build financial freedom, number 2. To learn how to make their money work for them, number 3. And then number 4, which is very important, to have quick liquidity of asset. Liquidity simply means your ability to convert an asset into cash. So it's Forex, that platform that gives you an ability to convert your assets into cash very quickly. Now, these are the 4 major reasons people trade the Forex market. So your assignment after this video is to take a pen and paper and write down your reasons for trading the Forex market, because that is what will keep you going at the long run. Yeah, the Forex market is huge. Over $7 trillion are moved through it every day. Yes. Now, the Bureau of Statistics provided that information. So that's how we know over $7 trillion are moved every day in the financial market. That means there is always someone buying and someone selling, just like a big supermarket that never closes. Let's keep it simple. What have we learned so far? Forex equals exchanging money online. You trade currency pairs like Euro USD. Number 2, you buy when you think one will go up and sell when you think the other will go down. Number 3, you can start small and learn as you grow. Number 4. So in the next video, we will learn some new words like pips, lots, and leverage in fun and easy way. Before you go, do quick things. Number 1, open a free demo account using my special Derive link down below to start practicing on your demo account. It simply means a Forex trader. A demo account simply means the ground where a Forex trader play. Yeah, a playground. And then number 2, join the Crown Traders mentorship program where we train you step by step with real strategies and simple lessons that actually makes sense and makes profits. Alright then, thanks for watching, and remember, here at the Crown Trader, we don't just trade the market, we trade with principles, simplicity, so you can make maximum profit. Cheers guys.